Okay, my name is Kamala Rani. I'm going to make a presentation video. This is Microsoft PowerPoint blank presentation. I open now and put some text. I like chocolate. That's why I put chocolate. And I create one slide with text, graphic. And I'm going to make duplicate slide, one slide. I'm going to make this is put my picture. I'm going to duplicate. I'm going to make duplicate this one and create. I'm going to create animation. I put animation. I put animation and then I'm going to start with the launch the slideshow. This long slideshow. And now I am going to save my document. I put my name Kamala Rani and then I save the document, and then I am going to close my document. Thank you. Bye.